The United States is a vast and diverse country located in North America, comprising 50 unique states. Each state has its own distinct characteristics, contributing to the rich cultural tapestry of the nation. The American flag, with its 50 stars and 13 red and white stripes, symbolizes the unity and history of these states. The capital city, Washington, D.C., is home to many important buildings, including the White House, where the president resides. Travel and transportation. Americans enjoy traveling, both within the country and internationally. They visit other states and countries using various modes of transportation, including cars, planes, and trains. The USA's extensive network of highways, airports, and railways makes travel convenient and accessible. Religious diversity. The United States is a melting pot of religions, and people are free to practice their faith. Churches, mosques, temples, and other places of worship can be found throughout the country, reflecting the nation's commitment to religious freedom. Social life and friendships. Americans value their friendships and often spend time with friends, engaging in activities like talking, playing, and having fun together. Social gatherings, such as birthday parties, are common and often include cakes, presents, and games. Education system. Education is highly prioritized in the USA. Children typically start their educational journey in kindergarten, progressing through elementary school, middle school, and high school. Schools focus on subjects like math, science, and English, while also providing opportunities for social interaction and extracurricular activities. Daily life and meals. Americans generally eat 3 main meals a day: breakfast in the morning, lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner in the evening. Snacks are also popular. The cuisine is diverse, with favorites like hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, and ice cream. The country boasts a wide variety of restaurants offering foods from different cultures, including Chinese, Mexican, and Italian. Celebrations and holidays. Americans celebrate numerous holidays, each with its own traditions. Thanksgiving is marked by feasting on turkey, while the 4th of July is celebrated with fireworks. Other popular holidays include Christmas, New Year's Day, Memorial Day, and Labor Day. Major cities and landmarks. The USA is home to many large and iconic cities. New York City, known for its bustling streets and the Statue of Liberty, is the most populous. Los Angeles is famous for its film industry, while Chicago is renowned for its architecture. Other notable landmarks include the Grand Canyon, Disneyland, Mount Rushmore, the Golden Gate Bridge, and the Alamo. Seasons and weather. The country experiences 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring brings blooming flowers, summer is hot, fall features colorful foliage, and winter often brings snow. Weather patterns vary significantly across different states, with some regions being hot, others cold, and some experiencing heavy rain or snow. Sports and recreation. Sports play a significant role in American culture. Popular sports include football, basketball, and baseball. Many people enjoy watching sports on TV or playing them with friends. Recreational activities like hiking, swimming, and camping are also widely enjoyed, thanks to the country's abundant natural beauty, including mountains, rivers, and forests. Arts and entertainment. Americans have a deep appreciation for the arts, including music, dance, and theater. The country is home to many famous singers, actors, and musicians. Hollywood, located in Los Angeles, is the epicenter of the global film industry, producing a wide range of movies, from comedies to thrillers. Reading is also a popular pastime, with many renowned American authors contributing to literature. Technology and innovation. The USA is a global leader in technology and innovation. Inventions like the light bulb, telephone, and airplane originated here. Americans use technology daily, from computers and smartphones to the internet, which facilitates communication and work. The country's emphasis on innovation continues to drive advancements in various fields. Environmental awareness. Environmental conservation is a growing concern in the USA. Many Americans recycle, save energy, and support efforts to protect wildlife and natural habitats. The country has numerous national parks dedicated to preserving its natural beauty. Economy and work. The USA has a robust and diverse economy, with people working in a wide range of industries. The economy is a cornerstone of the nation's success, providing opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. The concept of the American dream embodies the belief that anyone can achieve success through hard work and determination. Diversity and culture. The United States is a culturally diverse nation, with people from various ethnic backgrounds and languages. English is the primary language, but Spanish, Chinese, and other languages are also widely spoken. This diversity is reflected in the country's traditions, customs, and celebrations. Daily routines and lifestyle. Daily life in the USA varies widely. Some people go to work, while others attend school. Families and friends often spend quality time together, engaging in hobbies and activities. Education is highly valued, with many students pursuing higher education at colleges and universities to secure good jobs. Transportation and urban life. Americans rely on various forms of transportation, including cars, buses, trains, and bicycles. In large cities, public transportation is common, while others prefer walking or biking. Urban areas like Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston are bustling hubs of activity, offering numerous opportunities for work and leisure. Health and safety. Healthcare is a priority in the USA, with many hospitals and doctors available to provide medical care. Safety is also important, with people following rules like wearing seat belts and looking both ways before crossing the street. Fashion and clothing. Fashion in the USA is diverse, with people wearing everything from casual jeans and t-shirts to formal attire. Comfort is often a key consideration, and styles evolve over time. Conclusion. The United States is a dynamic and multifaceted country, offering a wide range of experiences and opportunities. From its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty to its technological advancements and diverse population, the USA continues to be a land of freedom, innovation, and endless possibilities. Whether you're exploring its cities, enjoying its traditions, or pursuing your dreams, the USA has something for everyone.